Absolutely gorgeous. It's pure glassy, smooth, look at that. There's the Taste Loch Tay Safari over there, and kayakers. Ooh. Oh, I'm past the Cranach already.